The immune system is equipped to respond not just to external invaders, think viruses, bacteria, and parasites, but also to internal threats, namely, cancer. Yet, frequently, malignancies overcome the immune system's defenses and evade detection. In a new study, researchers led by Serge Y. Fuchs of the School of Veterinary Medicine have uncovered a detailed mechanism by which tumors can skirt both the immune system and cancer therapies that leverage its power, such as genetically engineered CAR T cells. Their investigation, published in the journal Cell Metabolism, revealed how tumor-derived factors stimulate trogocytosis, a process derived from the Greek word trago, which means to gnaw, or to chew. When T cells interact with cancer cells, they can sometimes nibble a piece of the cancer cell. First of all, the tumor cell did not get killed and has lost an antigen, which may mean that even if another, better-equipped T cell comes along, it will not recognize it, giving cancer cells a window of opportunity to grow unchecked. The second problem is, for reasons we still don't understand, once a T cell takes a piece of the tumor cell membrane, it becomes much less active. And the third problem is very ironic. Because now, a T cell that displays tumor antigen, this sheep in wolf's clothing, may then become victim to fratricide, killed by another T cell. Overall, the result is a decline in killer T cell numbers and activity and a bump in opportunities for the cancer cells to escape detection and GR. What we see is that only a small number of cells undergo trogocytosis and then they disappear quickly because they're killed. So we're studying a vanishing act. It is hard to do, very expensive and very tedious, but it appears to be very important, says Fuchs. A particular area of interest is what's known as tumor-derived factors, or the concoction of proteins, lipids, and other materials that cancer cells secrete into the body. In the current study, the Penn researchers found that collecting these secretions and exposing the resulting solution to T cells hampered the cell's ability to do their cancer-fighting job. Just exposing them to this tumor-conditioned media caused them to kill fewer cancer cells, trogocytose more, and get killed more, Fuchs says. This gene is known to be involved in altering cells' lipid membranes and can inhibit two cell membranes from fusing together, an essential process for trogocytosis to occur. When they added back a metabolite produced by CH25H, they could block trogocytosis. That was an aha moment, Fuchs says. We figured, why don't we use what is cleverly known as an armored car approach, and co-express CH25H in the CAR T, Fuchs says. This turned out to be more efficient than the old CAR T cells. Indeed, delivering the CAR T cells adorned with CH25H improved the survival of mice with cancer compared to the unarmored CAR T cells. With future work, he and colleagues intend to explore the roles of ATF3 and CH25H and other molecules in trogocytosis. And he's hopeful that other researchers will pick up on these lines of work, bringing the findings closer to clinical application. I can see this going into use in CAR T therapy quickly, Fuchs says. It's ready to play. Serge Fuchs is the Elizabeth and William Whitney Clark Professor of Oncology at the University of Pennsylvania School of Veterinary Medicine. The study was supported in part by the National Institutes of Health, grants CA 247,803, CA 240,814, CA 165,997, and CA 115299. Materials provided by University of Pennsylvania. Original written by Catherine Unger Bailey. Note: content may be edited for style and length. T cells that nibble tumors unwittingly help cancer evade the immune response. Science Daily, the 9th of September 2022. ift.tt/n7u1ps. University of Pennsylvania, 2022, September 9. T cells that nibble tumors unwittingly help cancer evade the immune response. Science Daily. Retrieved September 11, 2022 from ift.tt/n7u1ps. University of Pennsylvania. T cells that nibble tumors unwittingly help cancer evade the immune response. Science Daily. ift.tt/n7u1ps. Access September 11, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.